Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will have a look at the FeeKaa Smart Air Fryer. This is the Australian version and there are other versions as you can see. This one was sent to me by the seller for a review, so let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box we have the user manual and a cooking guide. A warranty card and the fryer itself. So this is the fryer with its sleek design. The basket is made of glass and it's dishwasher safe. Here we have the LCD display and the touch controls, which we will check later. The maximum capacity for the basket is 4 liters, which is perfect for a small family. And this is the stainless steel basket rack, which helps with the air circulation. And this is the heat insulating mat, so you can place the basket on it when it's hot and not damage the surface. On the back here we have the air inlet, and on the bottom we have the air outlet. There is a micro switch at the back that detects when the cooking basket is removed, so you cannot operate the fryer without the basket in its place to avoid any accidents. Here we have the heating element, which also works as a light source. And the fan that blows the hot air. When you plug it in, the panel will light up, then only the power button left, which is touch. Now we have the panels lights up again. The default mode is the fries. To change to the other modes, you press here. And to start, we press the play button. To pause, we press it again. Now it's paused. You can see the icon is blinking. To resume, press it again and it will resume the operation. To switch it off, you press the power button again. Now the heating element is off, but the fan is still blowing to cool down. Press it again and it will totally switch off. Here we have the default mode, which is fries and chicken wings, chicken thighs, sweet potato, steak, sausages, sliced bread, grilled prawns, and this is the custom You adjust it according to your liking. Pressing here, this is the temperature, press again, and this is the time. You can adjust the time. And the last one is defrost. Even though you have a custom option, you can adjust all these. For example, sweet potato, if I wanted to reduce the temperature, I can do that. Also, I can increase the time. So they are all functioning as the custom button, but they have a preset for easier use.
Now let's try to cook something. I will be cooking 3 cup frozen French fries. We'll add a little bit of oil and some salt.
Okay, it's done now. Let's have a look. This is the recommended preset. Not the recommended, this is the default preset, and I think it needs more. Yeah, we'll leave it extra minutes. I cooked it with double the time, and let's have a look. So as you can see, some of them are nicely cooked and some of them are still, because I didn't mix it well during cooking. I mixed it twice or 3 times. Well, the result is not bad at all. It's very yummy.
Now let's try some burger patties. And here is the result. I would say cooked to perfection. Crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. Now let's try some marinated chicken wings.